Good morning, everybody. All right, so just to update for time being, I did get my workbench a little cleaned off last night, and I worked on this old pulling right here. Old pulling, made in the USA, 20-inch bar. It's a big joker, no brake on it. I got it running. I'm gonna take it back down later on video. It needs some more work, I think. The home light I had on my bench, it needs parts. I believe this thing's going to need parts as well. But enough of that. I'm in here to get fishing poles because I am going fishing with a friend today, and hopefully we get some of that on video. And then we'll come back this evening and do a little bit more work on chainsaws and stuff like that around here. Man, I look fat. How y'all doing? All right, so came out to do a little fishing and kayaking out here today. My buddy's dad's private lake. So do a little of this, a little of that, see if I can catch something, float around the kayak, and then get back to the house and do a little work. So we put the kayaks away. Now we're doing a little fishing. Taking a break from fishing. Okay, so I'm back from fishing. Gotta put my rod and reel and the tackle box back away. Had to pile everything back in the shed earlier because it's supposed to start raining, so tomorrow or Friday maybe I got to clean out this other shed so I can put chainsaws and stuff in there, because that's where that stuff typically goes. But had a great day fishing. Went out with a buddy of mine to his pops' place and did some fishing and did some kayaking, and experimented with putting a GoPro in the water, fun little stuff like that. Now I'm going to get back in here, see if I can figure out exactly what this thing needs, maybe order the parts for the home light, and see if I can figure out a way to organize some of this crap. And I also have a YouTube, not a YouTube, I also have a, yeah, I think it actually is something specialized toward YouTube. I downloaded the editor for this phone, and so I'm going to try to edit the clips together that I recorded today. That's kind of why I did so many, or so I did a few of them. See if I can put a decent video together using the cell phone. But that'll be it for tonight. I know nothing exciting, but you know, just something to kind of get me back into the swing of things. And hopefully over the next few days, next few weeks, I'll have all this cleaned up, start working on some interesting repair projects, maybe some upgrades for like the Trans Am, stuff like that. You never know. I'll try to keep things interesting. All right, everybody have a good evening.